With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins. Some fog is possible tonight through tomorrow morning. As the cold front that moved through today lifts back to the north as a warm front. Central and eastern Nebraska highs tomorrow, warm line into the low to mid 30s. In behind that warm front, southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas looking at highs tomorrow in the upper 30s to the low 40s. Widespread highs in the 40s are predicted for the weekend on into early next week. Even some low 50s in north central Kansas. A low-pressure trough may lead to some clouds and some gusty west winds on Saturday. Some snow or rain is possible with low pressure tracking to our south Tuesday through Thursday. There's also a chance our forecast stays dry for the middle part of next week. For the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures are likely for Tuesday through February 15th for Nebraska, Kansas, and the eastern two-thirds of the U.S. Mostly near normal precipitation is indicated for Nebraska and Kansas the mid to late part of next week. That outlook trending above normal for precipitation next weekend through February 15th. In the Regional Drought Monitor, most of Nebraska continues in a moderate to severe drought. Coverage of extreme to exceptional drought remains at 45% of Nebraska and includes the southwest, southern panhandle, and from McPherson to Hooker County on into the north central and northeast. Kansas remains at 4% drought-free with the drought-free area in the strip from Nemaha to Dickinson County. The rest of north central and most of eastern Kansas have normally dried to a severe drought. 56% of Kansas still in extreme to exceptional drought and includes most of the western and southern thirds of the state. Key weather factors in the markets include temperatures on the rise in the U.S., a stretch of dry weather in Argentina, and more heavy rain for central Brazil. This late day, wintry precipitation finally ending across ice-affected areas from Texas into the mid-south. Any rain across the deep south ends tomorrow. Most of the rest of the U.S. receives minimal, if any, precipitation over the next 5 days. This weekend, a powerful surge of cold air overspreads the northeast with temperatures plunging colder than 20 below in northern New England. Most of the U.S. experiences a rise in temperatures with warmer than normal weather soon returning across the plains. Central and northern Brazil will see rain continue through the next week, but some breaks in the rain through tomorrow should allow completion of some of the soybean harvest and second crop corn planting. Rains in central and northern Brazil become heavier again over the weekend. Rio Grande do Sul and far southern Brazil, though, remains mostly dry with only limited chances of rain through tomorrow. For Argentina, there has been scattered rain this week in the main growing regions as the rain moves to the north today. The next 10 days in Argentina, there will be little to no rain, and that drier trend may undo the benefits of the recent rain. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.